Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best step drill bit on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Comoware Step Drill Bit Set. If you prefer a set which is a more suitable choice for professional jobs, our next choice from Comoware will be a better option for you. This is a set of 5-step drill bits that offer a collection of 50 different sizes for drilling holes. The minimum hole diameter achievable with this set is 3/16, whereas the maximum diameter is 1 3/8 inches. This is a wide range of drilling sizes and will cover almost all types of applications. The Comoware Step Drill Bit Set is also made up of steel with titanium coating on the outside. The cutting angle for the bits available in this set is about 118 degrees and comes with an automatic center punch, which further reduces the time required for each application. The drill bits provided in this set are suitable for a variety of materials such as metal, wood, and even plastic. The drill bit set arrives in a dedicated case where you can arrange the bits via size index for quicker access. Number 2. Our second best pick is Zelcan HSS 5 PCS Titanium Step Drill Bit Set. Zelcan also has one of the most versatile sets present on our picks today. If you are not familiar already, Zelcan is a brand that designs a variety of products including domestic lighting as well as home improvement accessories. If you want to get a budget-friendly set of step drill bits to help you with your domestic projects, the Zelcan Drill Bit Set is simply perfect for you. This set of 5 drill bits offers steel bits covered with a titanium coating to match the performance of industrial-grade tools. Even though it is a budget-friendly option, it features 50 different options for hole sizes, ranging from 1/8 to 1 3/8 inches in size. Apart from the bits included in the set, it also offers an automatic center punch that creates a strong spring-loaded strike which ensures proper application in the first go. Thus, it is a very handy set for professionals as well as hobbyists alike. The titanium coating on the drill bits also helps to prevent corrosion and rust problems with the drill bits. Number 3. Our third best pick is Knoweasy 3 PCS Step Drill Bit. This set, despite offering a large selection of hole sizes, is available within an affordable price range. This set includes 3 pieces of drill bits that can be preferred for applications including workpieces made of metal, aluminum, and wood. The hole sizes available with this set ranges from 3/6 to 3/4 inches and are available within a set of 3 drill bits. It is also one of the most affordable options you will find, especially for a set of 3 bits. Each of the bits present in this set offers a high-step design that prevents you from over-drilling. On top of that, the 2-flute design increases the material removal rate along with an overall smoother operation. These drill bits include a hexagonal shank which fits easily with almost any standard drill machine and offers optimum performance. The hexagonal design also works as a self-centering mechanism for the drill bit. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DeWalt Step Drill Bit Set. DeWalt is a well-known brand name for everyone who works with professional and industrial-grade tools. Apart from a range of power tools, DeWalt also offers accessories such as step drill bits. Unlike the options you have seen so far, the DeWalt Drill Bit Set is rather a premium choice for a step drill bit set. The set includes 3 drill bits with a variation of 1/8 to 7/8 inch hole diameters. In total, you will find 28 different sizes within one set, which is pretty good for the versatility of application. The bits are made up of alloy steel and feature a titanium finish on the top for better performance and longevity. DeWalt also offers a dual-flute spiral design on the drill bits to increase the chip removal rate. Also, the drill bits have a split-point tip which increases the operation speed significantly. You will find laser engraved marking on each bit which represents the drilling sizes available on the bit. These markings are permanent and will not be removed until the tool is out of order. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is HYCLAT 5 PCS Titanium Step Drill Bit. HYCLAT is bringing yet another highly versatile set of drill bits on the selection. You will find almost all necessary hole diameters covered with this set of step drill bits. It is also a set of 5 drill bits like a number of options mentioned so far. And similarly, it features titanium coating on top of the steel body of the tool. This set includes 5 pieces that offer 50 different options for hole sizes. Thus, you can replace all of your traditional drill bits by purchasing this one set. The hole sizes possible with the HYCLAT titanium step drill bit are 1/8 to 1 3/8 inches in size, which covers a lot of standard hole sizes. Each of these drill bits features a double cutting edge for faster material removal and also a shank with 3 flat sides to offer more stable performance. In terms of applications, you can use these drill bits for chamfer, bore, drill, and even for enlarging the existing holes. Grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.